a lot of names has come in as far as this whole, drug link is concerned. It all started after the FIR was registered in Patna, where the family of Sushant Singh Rajput claimed that Rhea Chakraborty was giving drugs, in fact, to Sushant Singh Rajput. Post that, Rhea Chakraborty had completely denied in an interview given to India Today. But now, there are too many names which are coming in as far as this NCB probe is concerned. Let's just tell you which are the names which the NCB is in fact looking at connected to Souvik and Rhea Chakraborty as far as this entire case is concerned. Now, Zaid Vilatra is a drug peddler, alleged drug peddler who has been arrested by the NCB. Then there is another person called Basit Parihar. He is another alleged drug peddler who is also under arrest. Now, third alleged drug peddler is Kaizan Ibrahim. He is also under detention. Meanwhile, apart from these three, Abbas Lakhani and Karan Arora are also under NCB's scanner. So these are the characters, more or less, who are linked somewhere or the other with Souvik Chakraborty, and they are under the questioning, they are under the scanner as far as the NCB is concerned. Meanwhile, India Today has also accessed chats between Rhea Chakraborty and her brother Souvik, talking about certain substances, narcotic substances. In fact, the latest WhatsApp chat which we have been able to access between both the brother and sister seemed to suggest that the actor was asking her brother to arrange drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput on March 15 this year. The chats speak about arranging buds and doobies, which refer to marijuana cigarettes. In another chat, accessed by India Today, Souvik can be seen arranging drugs for one of his friends. He even shared contact of one of the peddlers over the chat. Now, the ED is currently probing these chats and their link to Sushant Singh Rajput's case. The ED will also grill Souvik Chakraborty soon. Earlier, WhatsApp chat between Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda, accessed this from April this year. They also hinted at the fact that they will have to contact Souvik to arrange more drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. Let me now bring my colleague Munish, who's joined with us on this story. Munish, now NCB's case, which they are probing, what connection does he have to Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, which the CBI is probing? Why I'm asking you this question is that NCB is a separate agency doing a separate investigation. The best that they can find, evidence or can establish guilt is Rhea Chakraborty or Souvik Chakraborty consuming or in fact selling drugs. Apart from that, does it have any link to the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery?
No, it's a very important question, Ankit, and let me tell you, these are two separate cases. The NCB will not be looking into death case of Sushant Singh Rajput. They have taken over the Patna FIR, which on the basis of which CBI even filed the FIR. But as far as NCB is concerned, they are only looking at the consumption and peddling of drugs. That is what they are looking at, and now they are trying to join the dots so that they can reach Rhea Chakraborty. Why Souvik Chakraborty is not being arrested today? There is one bigger reason, is that basically they want to join the dots from Souvik Chakraborty to Rhea Chakraborty. Now Souvik Chakraborty is being questioned, but as far as Rhea Chakraborty is concerned, Souvik is also asked about whether he has given drugs to Rhea Chakraborty or not, whether she was consuming or not, because the evidence is very weak here. They have only electronic evidence and the statements which was given in the presence of police, not before the magistrate. So this is going to be something on the basis of which they will try to get bail in coming days, Ankit, but NCB has to make a concrete case against Souvik Chakraborty and Rhea Chakraborty, but that will be possible only if there is a proof.
Okay. All right, Munish, thank you for joining us. I just, Devesh, request you to stay on with me, because the entire case, as far as the NCB is concerned, is largely based on certain WhatsApp chats between Rhea Chakraborty or her brother Souvik, or Rhea with some other people. including Samuel Miranda and some other staff of Sushant Singh Rajput, and Shouvik Chakraborty and other friends that he had. Now, let's just take you one by one to these WhatsApp chats, which has become the basis of this entire investigation by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The WhatsApp chats accessed by India Today, dated March 16th of this year, suggest that Rhea was asking Shouvik to arrange drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, in another chat dated on November 25th last year, Rhea coordinated with Sushant's talent manager Jaya Saha about dosage of CBD oil. Remember, CBD oil, ladies and gentlemen, is not an illegal substance. This is also used and prescribed by doctors for depression, anxiety, and a lot of other symptoms that people with mental illness may suffer. A chat dated October 10, 2019 also suggests that Shouvik was arranging drugs for his friends. Meanwhile, another chat which was between Shouvik and some friends, in which he shared the contact of some alleged drug dealers with his friends to procure drugs. Meanwhile, another chat dated April 2019 shows Rhea's discussion over hash and buds with Sushant Singh Rajput's manager Samuel Miranda, and as opposed to Rhea Chakraborty's claim that she has never consumed drugs, a chat dating back to March 8, 2017. Rhea Chakraborty can be seen asking for drugs from Gaurav Arya. In the same chat, she also speaks that she has tried MD once, which is short form of MDMA or ecstasy, and she was in fact seen talking about this to Gaurav Arya. Devesh, I very quickly want to come to you. These chats form the basis of this investigation, but is the NCB also looking at a wider investigation? Will there be a probe in allegations about film stars taking drugs? Will other film personalities also be dragged in, or they are only limited to Shouvik and Rhea in this case?
Ankit, first thing we should understand that the Narcotics Control Bureau initially started this probe when a disclosure report was shared by the Enforcement Directorate regarding these chats, these messages, when they scanned and examined the mobile phones of Shouvik and Rhea. After that, a case was registered, and now NCB has started its probe. They focused on two narcotic drugs, buds and doobies, which are state names for a derivative of marijuana, and focusing on that, a pan-India raid search was conducted, wherein in Karnataka, Goa, Mumbai and Delhi, multiple raids were conducted, and a courier was seized, which was a courier which was said to be misinformed to customs authorities that it was something else, and it was misdeclared as some Ayurveda product, and now they was actually smuggling doobies into that parcel. After that, they zeroed in on Zaid and Basit Parihar, who are the people whose names have also emerged in the chats. Now these people have been, these people's statements have been recorded, and now they've called Samuel and Shouvik, who will be grilled further for all the possible people whom they've contacted or they've provided details or provided doobies or marijuana to them. So this testimony will be recorded, and then
all right, Devesh, thank you for joining us with all those details. Let's also now, in fact, tell you about what Rhea Chakraborty said. And I'm once again playing it because these are going to be the contradictions that a lot of people will be talking about in an interview to Rajdeep Sardesai about consumption of drugs herself.
एंड नार्कोटिक्स ड्रग कंट्रोल भी आपको क्वेश्चन कर सकती है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि क्या रिया का ड्रग पेडलर्स, ड्रग डीलर्स के साथ कोई कनेक्शन है।
यही बचा था ना अब मेरे ऊपर डालने के लिए कि इस लड़की को इतना क्रूसिफाई कर दो। मैं तो बोलती हूँ एक बंदूक के ले आओ, मेरी फैमिली लाइन से खड़ी हो जाएगी, गोली मार के उड़ा दो हमें, नहीं तो हम ही सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, फिर कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा। I deny all these allegations. They are absolutely baseless. और मैं इनके डिटेल्स में सिर्फ एक रीजन के लिए नहीं जाना चाहूंगी कि ये मेरे आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन और केस को तंग कर सकता है।
फिर भी मैं पूछूंगा और आप अपना जवाब दे सकती हैं। 3 चैट्स है। 2017 में एक चैट होती है एक होटेलियर गौरव आर्या के साथ, जहां कहा जाता है कि आप एक तरह से एमडीएमए ट्राई करना चाहती है। आप कहती हैं मैरिजुआना के बारे में बात होती है। इन केस वी स्पीक अबाउट हार्ड ड्रग्स, आई हैवंट डन टू मच, ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस। ये मैसेज व्हाट्सएप का सब चैनल्स पर चल रहा है। ये 2017 में है। आपने कभी एमडीएमए लिया है?
जी नहीं, I have never taken any drugs.
तो ये ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस?
Never, and I'm willing to do a drug test.
So you deny this conversation?
I deny.
With Gaurav Arya?
Yes.
You don't know him?
No, I do know him, but I deny the contents of this conversation, and I will like to reserve the rest of this for the investigation.
In 2019, एक जया करके है आपकी दोस्त, उसके साथ भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है जहां कहा जाता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप चाय में सीबीडी डाल दीजिए, जो एक तरह से कैनबिस से जुड़ी हुई है, ड्रग से जुड़ी हुई है, लेकिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आप सुशांत को सीबीडी क्यों देना चाहती थी? यह कहा जाता है चाय के प्याले में आप सीबीडी डालिए।
मैं नहीं देना चाहती थी। उन्होंने जया से एक ऑल्टरनेटिव थेरेपी मांगी थी और उनकी आपस में कोई बात हुई थी जिसकी सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेशन मेरे फोन पे है। ना मैंने उनके चाय में कुछ डाला, उन्होंने खुद किया होगा जो किया होगा। लेकिन अगेन सर, I don't want this to interfere in my investigation, so I don't want to continue this.
Fair enough. My third one is 2020 सैमुअल मिरांडा का एक कॉन्वर्सेशन आया हुआ है कि स्टॉक इज ओवर। इससे यह पता चलता है कि या तो आप ड्रग ले रही थी या सुशांत ले रहा था। सच्चाई क्या है?
इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनके वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना, और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे। मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे। इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये। और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी। सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी, मैं कट डाउन करने की कोशिश करती थी। लेकिन ही वॉज अ मैन ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइसेस। ही वॉज अ ग्रोन मैन who chose what he wanted to do, and nobody could stop him.
You did not encourage him to take drugs?
Absolutely not. In fact, I have a chat.
Even though he was on the habit, वो ड्रग पर है, लेकिन आपने कभी उनको encourage नहीं किया?
नहीं, मैंने.
You didn't try to stop him?
I tried to stop him. I tried to stop him, and I tried to tell him to reduce it. But it is something he would do. I never indulged in any kind of drugs.
Here is a man in depression. He's taking drugs. Isn't that a serious situation to be in? I mean, it must have been therefore difficult for him, and you're saying you were unable to stop the person you loved so much.
Exactly, which is my main point, that Sushant did exactly what he wanted to do. If he wanted to smoke drugs, he would smoke drugs. If he wanted to take medication, he would take medications. If he didn't want, nobody on earth could convince him.
And you have never taken drugs with him.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.